andinazi izavara ucango ambani andinazi izavara Dolsi, ndiyacela bethunani khaniqoqekeni iwesibandezene endwendwe ndiyacela namhlanje khe nizithobe bethunani nale nto ndizayifihla ifune ngenza njalo ndiyacela bethuna please bethunani ndiyanicela Dolsi ndizene endwendwe namhlanje ndiyacela bethunani nizithobe nibe ngabantu abathobekekileyo ndiyanicela please greetings students greetings ma'am. Oh, okay, oh, sorry. Okay, I'm with Miss Olivia Tyler. Okay, she is from overseas. Okay, I believe she will tell you Ukuti Usuga Wepi country. She is here, guys, to help us with English and life orientation. She's not a permanent teacher. Okay, she is not, but she will come and visit us. Who's our sister? Over to her. Thank you very much, ma'am. Oh, bethuna ndiyacela senimphathe kakuhle Miss Tyler sanofuna ndenze njalo ndiyanicela Dolphy ndiyanicela injalo madam sisamphatha kakuhle madam hayi don't worry mina yo madam oh my God, I love her vibe, I love her deputy principal. Well then 12C, how is everybody doing? We're good, ma'am, and you? Well, I'm also good, thank you. Well, as she said, I'm Miss Olivia Tyler from Canada. Okay? Oh my God, Canada! Yes, Canada. I wanted to visit Canada. Oh dear, one day you will. Yeah, go, miss. What does that mean? What does Nkoka mean? Come on, guys, teach me Xhosa. What does that mean? Oh, did you Xhosa? Tina, did you Xhosa? It means you are beautiful. Yeah, really, yeah. Oh my God, am I beautiful? Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Okay? Why is she laughing when they say I'm beautiful? Why is she? Man, Anelisa, I'm telling you, uzenza betere nje nakulo misa ufikayo. Man, khawuhlise. Akuzukhethwa wena. Don't know when. He means the girl likes to be forward. Oh no, let's not say others are forward, okay? Let's respect each other, please. 12C, okay? So where are you with life orientation? The last time, remember we were talking about career choices. Oh, I like that. So, where do you want to be? Or what do you want to be in future, boy? Boy? Boy, me. Me, boy, Mina. No, not me, boy, Mina. Mina, in the order. Don't you see this? Alilita man. Oh God, I'm sorry. Does he mean he likes to do the hat businesses? Or, no, maybe you won't understand. Let's leave it. I'm confused. I'm fearing doing Magina. Abu Branded Togak and your boy in a But Lilita, even if I go over, you're disrespecting her. He's what? Disrespecting me? How dare you do that?
Hello, Miss Tyler.
They say the boy is disrespecting me. No,
Come
ma'am,
again.
sorry, ma'am, the background, ma'am, sorry.
Which one? Which one are you talking about?
Sorry, ma'am. The one with the hat.
Oh my God, that's Lilita.
Sorry,
I'll
ma'am.
take with you next week, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You would never do that again. Do you hear me? I will not tolerate to be disrespected by you again. I'll show you who am I. You don't want me to do that. What's the Canada long until Pakistan? I will miss check about that. Don't go. That's the Pakistan. Don't go. I'm going to Canada.